He has announced this morning that 61 people in total on this ship have now tested positive for the coronavirus. Okay, a total of 61 people on board this ship have now been tested positive for the coronavirus.
Breaking news alert. What was supposed to be a luxury cruise is turned into a floating prison. Passengers on board the Diamond Princess. The ship has been placed under a 2-week quarantine following an outbreak on board of the deadly coronavirus that has killed more than 800 people in China.
Friday morning, and I've got an update for you. Alongside the ship right now, we are still moored in Yokohama. We've been taking on provisions and so on, but ambulances have now arrived alongside the ship. The only way I know that, because we are on the starboard side, the only way that I know that is the captain has announced that ambulances have arrived, but he cannot let us passengers know the reason until he has been allowed to inform the passengers by the Japanese health authority. Now, someone who is becoming an important acquaintance of mine from the news world, and that is Simon from the Washington Post. I said earlier I wasn't going to name anybody, but this is with Simon's approval, okay? Simon of the Washington Post, he's been really brilliant in getting information from the government, from the people who know what's going on. And the Japanese health minister, I'm going to struggle pronouncing this, Katsunobu Kato, okay, he is the Japanese health minister. He has announced this morning that 61 people in total on this ship have now tested positive for the coronavirus. Okay, a total of 61 people on board this ship have now been tested positive for the coronavirus. Now, it's not the captain's fault that he has not announced this. He can only release information when it's been authorized by the Japanese health authority. My question is, why are the Japanese health authority releasing the information to the world and not permitting the captain to tell his people? You know, to me, it's just wrong. It's not right. It's so unfair. So thank you, Simon, for passing that information on. Now,
Other passengers posted images of sparse meals, crew in face masks, and a once-bustling common area now eerily deserted. On Wednesday night, the ship was allowed to dock at the Japanese port of the city of Yokohama and take on much-needed supplies. Medical teams on board have been screening passengers for signs of the virus. So far, 70 passengers have been diagnosed with the coronavirus strain and have been removed and taken to the hospital. A towering presence, one like the wind. Be a king or a queen. Life in the Philippines.